Welcome back to the Power of Breath workshop. In today's class, we will be exploring the pranayama, Ujjayi breath. So once again, coming into a comfortable seat, either on the floor or in a chair, whatever feels comfortable for your body. Align your spine, relax your shoulders. Just take a couple of breaths just to tune into your body. You can close your eyes or keep them open, whatever's comfortable for you. Ujjayi breath is a breath that sounds like the ocean. So to begin, you're going to inhale deeply through the nose, and you want to constrict the throat so that you're creating the sound of, like when you listen to a shell at the ocean and you can hear that gentle hum or roar sound of the ocean. And it sounds like this. And then exhale through the mouth. And when you exhale, imagine like you're fogging up a mirror. So you're using that breath as if you were going to fog up a window or fog the mirror. So, and you can really feel it in the back of the throat. So let's try it now together. We're going to inhale through the nose. Ready? Inhale. And exhale through the mouth, fogging the mirror. Excellent. Let's take that one more time. Inhale. Exhale. Excellent. Step number 2, we're going to inhale the same, inhaling through the nose. As we exhale, begin the exhale with an open mouth and then close the mouth as you exhale, keeping that restriction in the back of the throat. I'll demonstrate one time and then we'll do it together. Let's try it together. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. And close. Let's do that twice more. Inhale. Inhale. If you feel ready, if you feel the control, we can move on to step number 3. Otherwise, continue practicing step number 2. Step number 3, we're going to inhale through the nose and exhale through the nose, making the constriction in the throat, creating the ocean sound. I'll demonstrate one time and then we'll try it together. Inhaling. Let's try it together 3 times. Spine straight, shoulders relaxed. Inhaling through the nose. Exhale through the nose. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And this is Ujjayi breath. I use Ujjayi breath in my yoga practice as I'm moving through my postures, but I also find it useful to use throughout my daily life. Particularly as a mother, I find this breath really useful when I'm working or interacting with my children. I use this maybe perhaps if my child's having a meltdown. It's very calming and soothing. And sometimes the best thing to do is to not try and fix, but just to hold space and be with them. And if you can be the calm in their storm, it's a lot easier for them to join you in that calm. So I would just sit with them, or if they're small enough, maybe hold them in your lap if they're willing to cuddle. And I don't say anything, I just practice this nice deep breath. Whether it affects them or not, I know it's useful for me because it helps me to stay out of that reactionary state where I want to like fix, make it stop. And it allows me to just be and allow them to work through their process in a really respectful way. So that's one way that I have found Ujjayi breath really beneficial in my daily life. It's also really helpful if you're having a hard time, like for insomnia, if you're having a hard time falling asleep at night. And you don't have to do it for very long, but it even has a similar type of sound as that heavy breathing when we're sleeping. And so I think it kind of cues the brain to go into that nice relaxed state. So try this out. I would love to know how it goes for you. If you have any questions or need any clarification on how to do it, or if you're not sure you're doing it right, just leave me a comment and I will definitely respond. And I will see you all tomorrow for day number 3 as we dive even deeper into the power of breath. Thanks so much for joining me today. I will see you tomorrow. Namaste.